What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. All right, guys, we're here for the 10K paper trading challenge. I'm going to talk about that. There's going to be a lifetime giveaway winner at the end, and I'm going to talk to you about the strategy that I plan to use for the challenge. You can follow along step by step. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. All right, who do we have in the building? Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. Dr. D, what's going on? Bill, Justin, what's up? Jeff, Ferris, Anthony, what's going on? Trading Wars Army. Terrence, Ferris, what's going on? What's going on? All right, hit me with a 1. All right, I see you guys. Let's get into this. Okay, so the first question, Bill, Jamal, what's going on? Are you ready to change your life? That's the question. So everyone wants to make money. What's going on? Ram, Weebia, Sully, what's going on? Everyone wants to make money in life, you know, and it's your right to make money. Let's be honest about that. Okay, everybody deserves to make money, because without money, you can't do anything in your life. All right, go ask a homeless person if they want money. The answer is going to be yes. Okay, ask the people that are sick in third world countries if they want money. The answer is yes. Okay, so first things first is we deserve money. Okay, not everybody's in an opportunity where they can make money. So these are one of the things that can put you over. These are one of the things that can put you on a platform. These are one of the things that can propel your career, is doing these challenges and see where you land. At the very least, guys, you get to learn more about your trading. All right, you get to learn more about what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong in a risk-free environment. And if you want to make money, guys, you need a skill. All right, you need some type of skill. And for some of you, it's going to be trading. Trading is what's going to make you rich. Trading is going to take you to the next level. For some of you, the answer is it's not going to be that, right? But at the end of the day, you try your best and see where you are. Maybe this is for you. Maybe you have that talent. Okay. When I first started trading, I lost a lot of money. So for me, there was no talent. It was just hard work, just a grind. Okay. Hit me with the 4 if that makes sense. Sometimes in life, you can just grind things out. That's how you become good at something. You just grind it. All right. So let's get into this. So here we go, guys. This is the challenge, tradingview.com, the leap. I'm going to link this right here. So as you can see right up here, guys, says we have 11 days left. Let's go through this. 11 days before it starts. So you've got 30 days to win 10,000 risk-free. So you enter the paper trading competition, and the top 5 people with the highest profits after a month will win cash prizes of 10,000, 5,000, 3,000, 2,000, and 1,000. Plus, anyone with their accounts in profit gets a month of TradingView on us. That's pretty good. Okay. So at the very least, all right, you're going to get a free month of TradingView if you finish green. I am actually giving away 1 full year of TradingView Premium to one of my subscribers. So please, right now, make sure you're subscribed. And at the end of the video, I need you to leave a comment. Let me know you're interested in getting the TradingView Premium. What's going on, Gabu Bot? What's going on? So right here, there's almost 15,000 people registered so far. And log into TradingView, terms and conditions, blah, blah, blah. So read up on this, press join competition, and it's going to start on March 1st. So if we click here, join competition, all you got to do is press this join right here. And here are some of the rules. So it's a special paper trading account. You're going to get 250K. The commissions will be 2%, 0.02%. Only trades made on the special trading account are taken into consideration. Okay, so you must make at least 1 trade per day for 10 days and also have an active paid plan by the end of the competition. Okay, so I know most of you already have a plan. You guys are traders. So read up more on this. Let's click on this right here. What should I do to take part? Okay, so there's a lot of information here. So this one's important right here. The following instruments are available for trading. This is Forex. This is the one I'll be focused on, SPX, but you can also do Bitcoin. And then there's another Forex pair there. Okay, so that it's limited to that. So that's something I wanted to mention right there. But you guys know we always trade SPY, SPX, ES all the time anyways. So this is what I'll be focusing on. Okay. All right, so more to come on this as we get closer, but I just wanted to bring this to your attention. And I want you guys to just go for it, man. And just track your trades. And at the very least, you're going to have a great learning experience. And like I said, I'm giving away 1 full year of premium for free. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. I read up more on it. I'll read up more on it throughout the week. And I think it's a great initiative by Tradingview. It's a great platform. You guys know that I have hookups on it and all that for years now. But it's the only platform I use, really. I use Trendspider for other things, but Tradingview has always been my go-to. All right. So how would I actually do this challenge? Okay. What would I do? What setups would I use? All right. So the only thing that I would do in this challenge, because I would love to have a very high win rate and I want to make sure that I'm getting something with a good risk to reward, is the Fibonacci dragon. Okay. Or the AKA the double pullback strategy. That's the only thing I would use. Okay. So let me go ahead and walk you through this trade here. All right. So I closed on Friday one contract of ES for $4,383 in profits. So this right here is the broker statement. And what you can see, my profit was actually $4,112.50. That's because I made a mistake. On Feb 13th, I accidentally took this trade and I lost a few $100s. So it took away from my bottom line profitability when I sold. And so you can see right here, I re-entered on Feb 13th and then I sold on Feb 16th. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through this setup step by step. All right, so let's go ahead here to Feb 13th. So what I would do, you can do this on any time frame, but I like to focus on the 4-hour chart. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and hit the replay right here. So let's go Monday, Friday. Okay. So this right here is the price action going into the week. So here we go. So this is the price action going into the week right here. All right. So on Sunday, we open and we start to go sideways like this. So we start to pull back now. So what I'm doing here, guys, is I ended up going long on this hammer bar, but for one specific reason, because it was the second pullback in a trend. So here we go. This is our original anchor point right here, this low. And if I pull it up to this high right here, you can see that we pulled back shallow. We pulled back and we made a new high. Once that occurs, I have the criteria for the second pullback, aka Fibonacci dragon. I pull it up to the second high, and that 618 is where I want to go long, right there. Okay. And I'm just going to go ahead and put the basic on here. If you look to the left, you can actually see that this area was a previous area of support. So that's what made me really comfortable going long on that level. Okay, so I'm going to hop in here to the Discord and I'll show you guys that. Okay. So this is hit right here, guys. So Feb 13th, this is before we touched the level. I had it drawn up and then we ended up getting filled right at 11:54 Pacific. Okay. And then from there, we popped up, and I walked everyone through this step by step. All right. So it's pretty nice. Got that 618, popped right up, bang. Okay. So this is a question that I got earlier. So now how do you manage the trade? Okay. How do you manage your trade? What would you do? So if you got long right here, so right here from, let's get the measuring tool, wherever that is. I think it's here. Measuring tool. Okay. So from our entry to right here, guys, that's more than 20 points. Okay. That's roughly 30 points. So on one contract, that's $1,500. So what do you do when you pop up $1,500? What do you guys think? Any ideas? What would you do? Would you just close the position right there? What would you do if you pop up $1,500? What would you do? So what I want to do in this competition, and just in general with my trades, is as soon as we get a good pop, $1,000, $2,000, whatever it is, I want to go ahead and move my stop loss to break even. Okay. So in this case, I only had one contract. So I went ahead and I moved my stop loss to break even. So let's use this. So I'm gonna get the tool out here. Okay. All right. So here's my stop loss, this white line. So I get it, boom, break even. Okay. And then after that, as we continue to progress higher, I move my stop loss higher. So this outside bar, bang, I get below that. And then we continue higher. Have a nice push up here, move it below this. And then I start to see we're in double top territory. Now we start slowing down. I get it right above here. And then bang, it ends up closing out on red. Okay. That's what I do. Trailing. Very aggressive because I'm going with big size. If I'm going to make $4,383, I have to understand that this trade cannot come back to being a loser. Okay. Hit me with the 12 if that makes sense. That's the one thing that I want to teach you guys. When you're up a good amount of money, there's no way that that trade should come back and turn red on you. Okay. And what I'm doing by incrementally moving up this stop loss is I'm incrementally increasing my risk to reward because my average loser is actually getting smaller and smaller and smaller because I'm being aggressive. All right. And then the other one that I took was on Microsoft. I'm a little bit disappointed in this one because it popped up right away. So this was the hourly. So I ended up going long on Microsoft right here. 618, same thing. Let's draw it. Bang. So here's the first pullback. Oops. Get the dragon out. Here's the first pullback. New high, second pullback. Bang. Right there. Okay. So I'm going to go in here. Stocks. So these went from 660 to 802 on that pop right there. And it was looking good. And then the market started to slow down. And these are red for me right now, but I have them until March 1st. So in hindsight, guys, what I should have done is I should have actually taken these options on SPY because it was the exact same setup. Look, this is the same setup on SPY. Come low to high. Look at this. Boom. And it ripped. I should have taken the one on SPY. But, you know, that's hindsight. There's nothing I can do about that. I still have a chance for Microsoft to turn around and push higher. But that's just how it goes sometimes. You could see that the patterns and the strength of the different stocks is really important. Okay, hit me with a 5 if that makes sense. All right. So that's the setup I would use. The double Fibonacci, the second pullback, the dragon, whatever you want to call it. Essentially, it's just a 618, but it's a 618 with strength. Okay. So I have a important update for you guys. So the day trading update, I'm going to go to SPY. I'm going to go to the 15-minute chart. And here is the 9:30 candle on Friday. And one of the strategies that I've always used is the opening range breakout. Here's the first 15-minute bar. If it breaks the low, I'm going to go short. Bang, game over. Okay, it's a quick scalp. So I'm going to reintroduce this for Fridays on the 15-minute chart. I've been doing a lot of studying on it, and I've been doing a lot of back testing on it. And I really think the 15-minute opening range breakout on Friday only can give us a strong play on Friday because of that volatility. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. So for those of you you orb lovers, we're going to bring back the orb. Okay. And I just wanted to mention last Friday, we had a Zoom for members only. So anyone with a green in their name, like Johnny, Shay, thank you for your support. And I'm going to do a lot of member only live trading sessions on Zoom. So if you guys want to be a part of that, just hit the join button below. It's $4.99. You can come trade with us live. His brother said, Justin said, I took that trade on Tesla and it ripped crazy. Let's see Tesla. Yeah, look, there it is on Tesla. That's awesome, brother. Congrats. There we go. Low to high. Bang. So this brother right here, Justin, took that. Bang. All right, let's send him some love. Hit Justin with a 4, man. That's a beautiful trade. I should have taken this on Tesla myself, but I got caught up in Microsoft. You know, that's a thing. Sometimes you get, I could have split it. I could have split it with Microsoft and Tesla. That was probably the better play, but I was really into Microsoft. So that's my fault. Anyways, let's keep going. Okay. So TradingView 10K paper trading challenge. We talked about it. I'm giving away a premium account for TradingView. Partner with me. So please like, subscribe, comment Fib King. Okay. Please do. All right. Comment Fib King at the end of this video. Let's look at the market real quick and then we will wrap this up. All right, so here's the weekly chart. So one thing that I wanted to point out, guys, this is very important here. Look at this. Weekly outside bar hammer. So the bulls have been, every time we pull back slightly, the bulls fight. Every time we pull back slightly, the bulls fight. What's going on, Simon? Caught Tesla 618. Excellent. Pull back, they fight. Guys, this is my line in the sand right here. Okay. If we start to break this week's red candle low, I think we have a good chance to pull back pretty deep. Okay. So let's look at it on SPY. So I'll pop this one off. Same thing on SPY. Look at this weekly chart, guys. Red hammer. So my line in the sand is right around 492. If we start to break 492, guys, I do see us pulling back. Okay. So be careful here. So look, here's the previous all-time high. Okay. So we could do something like this. Bang. Okay. So be careful here. Don't get too greedy. We've already made a lot of money. Don't get too greedy. All right. Be safe when you're trading. So I'm going to be looking for some setups with this weekly hammer. I might be looking for some puts. It's going to be a short week because the stock market is closed on Monday. So that is something to consider. We might have a short, just a slow, choppy week. Okay. So please be aware of that as well. Okay. All right. What else? What else I have to talk about here? I think that's pretty much it, guys. So there's the update. I'm going to do the lifetime giveaway right now. Before we do the lifetime giveaway, please hit me with a drum roll. Hit me with a heart. Send some love, some fire. What do you guys have in there for me? Send me something. Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. As you guys know, I have a free day trading university that is under the resources section of my website. So I am going to actually combine. So I have 5 videos. Okay. I have 5 videos on these, the day trading university. There's 5 separate videos. I'm going to combine all of the videos together and I'm going to make one big day trading university. I have an editor and I'm going to make something beautiful for you guys. All right. So make sure you're subscribed and look out for that one. That one's going to be coming soon. And as always, just remember, you can click on it and you have the full notes right here for you guys. Okay. It's pretty well put together. I definitely didn't, I wrote the content, but I definitely didn't make it pretty like this. Okay. Because I'm not that great with, you know, all this designing and stuff like that. I'm really not that great with it, but shout out to my helper. Okay. So let's continue. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do before we do the giveaway is right now, my friends, anyone of you that want to come join the Fibonacci Society, this is the Fibonacci Society. It has all of our futures trades, our stocks trades, and our SPY trades. These are all swing trades on that big time frame. Okay. The ones that I showed you with the double pullback. If you are interested in that, my friends, I'm doing a deal. So I'm doing actually 2 deals. The first one is this. So normally this book is $150 and it comes with 1 month in the day trading room and lifetime access to the Fibonacci Society. So if you purchase on the website, then instead of having 1 month, you'll have 2 months. Okay, so we'll do a double dip, right? Or if this is too expensive for you, no worries. I can discount it to $100 without the 1 month free. It'll just be lifetime to the Fib Society. Just email me, rich@tradingwars.com. Okay. All right. Now time for the winner. All right. So thank you, first of all, for commenting here on these posts and on Twitter, on YouTube, everywhere you go. You guys support me and I really appreciate it. And I will always continue to do these lifetime giveaways because I really feel that this content can change your life. Okay. I really do. I really feel like once you get in the Discord and you see what we do and how we're fighting to make money and survive, that it's going to be a skill that you can use in your life, whether you're investing, whether you're teaching somebody, whatever you're doing. All right. So here we go. So the winner, I already picked the winner. So this is the winner right here. Taha Azir. You are the winner, my friend. So I hope you're watching this video. So you're going to get lifetime Discord. Guys, let's send some love to Taha. And remember, there's going to be another one next week. So don't worry at all. All right. Just continue to show the love and support and keep commenting. And then you'll have your chance. You'll have your chance, guys. Okay. So he is the winner. And he's a longtime supporter. So, you know, I wanted to give some back to him. And I always, honestly, guys, I always try to look for people that are always commenting and supporting. So that goes a long way. So please try your best to do that if you have the ability to. All right, that's it, guys. So there we go. Short week. Tomorrow market's closed. Sleep in and get some rest. All right. And then we'll be ready to hit it again. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Question was at the beginning of this video, are you ready to change your life? Here's an opportunity, $10,000 paper trading challenge. Push yourself. Okay. I'll be there with you. Thanks, guys. Take care.